What's good, guys? It's Edgar with Breakbank, and usually I'm behind the camera, but today I'm super excited to introduce to you another JDM classic, my brand new project car, Toyota JZX90. A little bit about this car. We got this through our homies over at Nostalgic Autosport. For any of your import needs, make sure to hit them up. Comes straight from the motherland. It's a right-hand drive car. Under the hood, we got a 1JZ GE non-turbo, non-VVTi. Now, if you know me, you know I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to cars. But luckily, my homies at Breakbank are going to be helping me out. Through this series, we're going to be doing coilovers, wheels, hopefully getting under the hood and seeing what we can do, doing a new body kit and a manual swap. The point of this series is to make sure that anybody who doesn't know what they're doing isn't afraid to get their hands dirty. With a couple homies, they're able to do it. So stay tuned, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. The series is going to be awesome. Make sure to check it out.
Gonna come out the most bumpiest video ever. Alright, we're here. What's up, Edgar?
Chillin'.
How are you today?
I'm chillin'.
Good.
What's up, Break Squad? I'm Edgar here with Breakbank, and
We're
usually
not doing that. We're not.
Yeah, we are, because you're the
This is not Break Squad. We're getting Break Squad. That shit.